Evening, everybody. Right off the bat, new tool. I am not affiliated with Hercules, Harbor Freight, and none of that mess. They ain't paying me. We needed something to bust up some shell rock. Well, we're gonna try this. We went and picked this thing up. Comes with that chisel and another one, tube of grease, new brushes, but first off, right out of the box, you gotta take these 4 bolts out around here, pull this out, and grease. So that's what I'm going to do. So let me get that done, and I'll bring you right back. Alright, we got the grease in. So let's try this thing out. Got it plugged up. Got sandstone here, or whatever you want to call it. We call it sandstone. You can see all the pebbly rock. And then we got hard shell. So if I can find a place for sections, I'll let you see how it cuts. Just be patient with me. You're going to see as I see. Which I hear my granddaughter is here. Trying to find a place to put you. So like I said, just be patient. I don't know how this is going to work. But we will find out together. How's that? Sorry if I'm making you seasick. We'll get this thing set. Well, nothing I'm doing is working. Let's see if we can find something. Place I can put things. This is a little behind the scenes of me trying to film on my phone. Ain't this lovely, y'all? How's that? Oh, let me get you over here. Sorry, y'all. It's gonna take me a minute. Figure this out. Alright, I can't see what you're seeing. So I'm just gonna have faith that this is gonna work some kind of way. But I don't know. Let's see. Let's see, I'm trying to video. Now help come. So, that's on that. Let's see how it does on the other. Well, we're going to try it on the generator, 8,000 watts. Been trying it a little. So let's see how it does. You will. Try up here where it's a little harder. What do you think? Think it'll do? You cut this thing out. I ain't gonna say it's the greatest, but I'm just now using it. So, but I'm gonna say it's busting it up. It's sinking it in. I believe on this stuff, which we dug this off and it got down to where it wouldn't dig it no more because we lost our seams. But I think the little jackhammer will do compared to the cost of one that runs off an air compressor and all that. I believe it'll be all right. One thing I don't like is the fact that you have to take this apart and put that grease in here. It's just a little warm. Not bad. I don't care for that. There should be a way you could put it in there without taking it apart. Grease spitting, you know. You can use the grooved slot hammer bits, or you can use the ones with the big taper. That's what the handle's for there. It would fit in here, and this would turn a different way. Allows you to use those, but we'll see in time. As we get time, I'm gonna take it over to where we had the house seat dug out. There's some rock over where it needs to go. And we'll see what happens. But we do know the 8,000 watt generator, which I'll give Generate credit, and I'm not sponsored by them either. This thing's been through it, boys. I have not been polite to it. Not been nice. I've been rough on it. And I'm going to start it back up in a minute. Let it run out of fuel when I cut it to fuel oil, because I don't like leaving fuel in the carburetor. But I said I was going to do a little video on the box. That's what was in the box. To me, for what I need here around the place, I think it's going to work out good. I mean, I'm not going to be out thousands of dollars, but if it'll bust up what I want busted up, no, I don't think it's meant to be run 10 hours straight. You know, get realistic. But so far it's working. It did come with extra brushes for the motor, which kind of is a worrying thing to me. Is that because the brushes wear out quick or what? I don't know. I thought I'd try this, show it to y'all. Like I said, if I buy something, a tool like this to use, I'll be showing it to y'all. Because I'm just like anybody else. And honestly, my money is very valuable to me because I don't have a lot of it. But just so you know, I'm not sponsored by Hercules, Harbor Freight, Generac, anything you've seen in this video. Ain't nobody sponsoring me. I do these because, like I said, maybe somebody else is interested in something like this. They see it. We'll see what happens. But this is going to be a long-term thing. We'll see how I like it in another month or so. Y'all have a good one.